Step 1. Garmin Virb installation. Go to Garmin website and install Garmin Virb Edit for Windows software. Step 2. Prepare GoPro movie with GPS data. Step 3. Extract telemetry data from movie file. Go to Telemetry Extractor website and open free online software version. Choose your GoPro movie file. Drag and drop it directly to website interface. Wait few seconds. Check GPS data on map visualization. Check whether the max speed is reasonable. On the map, you can see animation of your trip. If all looks good, go back to previous page. Choose Virb Edit GPX file format to save it on your PC. Step 4. Combine telemetry data with movie file. Create new project and attach your movie file. Click on the G-Matrix button and important data from the hard drive. Drag and drop GPX file into Virb software. I will choose my own created telemetry template. You can choose your own visualization of measured values.